Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Okay, so first of all you're gonna need to open up your Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and after opening up your Facebook application you will tap on the three lines here at the top right, and then basically you will tap on this option where it says help and support, and then tap on report a problem here, and then tap on report a problem. Okay, and then basically it will take you to the page, and then tap on don't include in report, and then basically it will basically ask you to select a Facebook feature you want to report. Okay, so you have to search for dating here if you see dating, but it doesn't matter if you see here or not, because if you don't see dating here, then you can basically just tap on the events here. Okay, and then basically undo this screenshot here, and now here you have to describe the issue to Facebook that you want to fix your Facebook dating location. Okay, and then the Facebook team will basically come back to you in 1 to 2 days, and they will actually fix it for you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.